Before I start, be honest with me, guys. Is there something on my neck? I feel like
No.
this big demon bird is something I won in PE class. I don't really know. Be free. Oh. Okay. Anyway, does this jacket make me look fat? You know, you could get one like this for $200. My parents got me this one in the garbage at a warehouse. So, one time I was sitting next to my older sister and I told her, you know, I could definitely pick up some girls in this thing. And she was like, yeah, right, how are you gonna do that? Well, it's big enough I can just and run off with that.